Ka BJP ka labu Thong ban job saus pa ngut nakasan spa sa phausan ngut ka jingdon ki dkhot ka yeng Ha Lok Sabha haka election manta usnam arja ar phausau unong yalam ka BJP ubapet ya ka Meghalaya u Dr. Chuba awo manta ka sau tarik kala lingkot arja ar phausau ulaong ba ka Meghalaya ru kan ya khunting ban job ya ka election ban wan u Chuba ulaong ba ka jingbom la ka BJP ban job bun ki MLA haka election ka baladap kadai namar ba ka telot ban pen khlanya ka party syakitan rai ulaong baka party shibenta ban penkre ya ke election kala batha ya baro ki nongket kam ki dekhot banlet penshai pen sngot ho ya ki skim baka sarkar BJP kala ai shaki pat ba kum ka skim ying baduk kala airshot ka boarding ka umbam bat ki wei knang bakin ai ya ke jingkershan.
Some will get 500 vote like that. So where they will go? So we have to invite them, open to invite every candidate who like to join the BJP. So they have invited and they will be joining together because our house has to be increased, the volume has to be increased, strength has to be organized. That is why I have given this work to our state president Rickmanji to channelize how to reach to the grassroots level. One. Number two, this beneficiaries scheme. This is sometime in office area we do it officially, but it doesn't reach the real beneficiaries. So we have instructed them to state office bearer, district president, including the mandal president. Now Morcha also they will do the same, state, district and Morcha, including this both level committee president. All three, it should be landed to ground and ask everyone openly that what benefit you got it. The third will be Lok Sabha. Preparation is going on and our target is 400 this time. So we will achieve 400 seats. So that is why we have to go everywhere, weak constituency, wherever we didn't get. But we are doing our level best to reach them, and progress report is very good, very encouraging. We believe that we will achieve this. This is our mission. Thank you. Bharat Sankalp Yatra mission. So that is Prime Minister's dream. So as a national office bearer, our point is that we have to reach to the people, and this is purely for La Bharati, means beneficiary. So last almost 9.5 years, whatever the beneficiary, people got it from this state central beneficiary. So we have to interact with them, and some people didn't get, and why they didn't get, and we do not know. But we have to find out why he didn't get, whether he was not eligible or something wrong. So it is our duty to go to the beneficiary and interact with them. Then what scheme you got it, what are the schemes you have applied, and how you enjoy this scheme, all kind of things we have to investigate and we have to